Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about singular and plural nouns. Singular, as the name suggests, stands for one person, one place, one animal or one thing, like one box or one girl. Next we talk about plural nouns. Plural nouns stands for more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal or more than one thing. Look at the examples. Girl become girls by adding an S at the end. This tells us that we are not talking about one girl but more than one girls. Next, the box become boxes by adding an ES. That means we are talking about more than one box, like 3 boxes. Next, we have few rules to follow while changing the singular noun into plural noun. The simplest of all is by adding an S at the end of our singular noun. Like kite, add an S to the end and it will become kites. Or look at the example in the picture. Can you see? One book, we added an S, became 4 books. Next rule that we are going to see is with the vowel and Y, like the word boy. Boy, you know your vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. If we have a noun in which a vowel is followed by a Y, we will simply add an S. Like one boy becomes 2 boys or one key become 4 keys. Similarly, one journey can become journeys. Next rule is by adding an ES to the words ending with S, like gas will become gases, or the word ending with X, like box. Fox become foxes. The words ending with double S, like class, will become classes, or the words ending with CH. Look at the picture. One peach becomes 2 peaches by adding an ES at the end. Or last is the words which have SH at the end, like eyelash will become eyelashes, splash will become splashes. Next rule that we have to see is by adding ES to the noun which have O at the end, like mango will become mangoes, tomato will become tomatoes. Exception to this rule are the words like radio. We can't add ES, we will only add S to make it plural. So radio plus S will give you plural, radios. Like studio, studios. Next is by for the nouns which have a consonant followed by a Y at the end. In these words, we are simply going to take away the Y and add IES. Like one bunny, remove the Y, add IES will become 2 bunnies. One city, 4 cities. One story, many stories. One bunny, many bunnies. Next rule is for the words which have F or FE at the end. These words we have to remove the F or FE and add VES, like calf will become calves, knife will become knives. Exception to this rule is the word chief will become chiefs, belief, beliefs. Next rule that we are going to look into is the one in which we will have to change the spelling of our singular noun to make them into plural noun. Like in the picture you can see one woman, A in the middle. Next picture is two women, E. That means we have changed the spelling from A to E. Other examples are like goose will become geese, one tooth, many teeth, one mouse scuttering around, four mice eating the cheese. Exceptions are fruit. Fruit refers only to one type of fruit. And when we say fruits, it refers to many types of fruits. I hope we have made it clear for you. Thank you for watching.